twisting my leg, Morton. Wrestle fair.
But, Melvin, we rehearsed it like this.
Oh.
Tonight's my turn to win. I'm buying a new car with the money.
Yeah, you gotta see my buddy then, the Detroit Connection.
Who?
Jeff Legum's Park Circle Chevrolet, the Detroit Connection. They sell new Chevys at the lowest price in town.
How do you do that?
Well, I heard Jeff Legum, the main man at Park Circle, talking long distance to a guy in Detroit.
You think he's got a man at the plant?
All I know is he talks to this guy in Detroit.
I'm not so tired. I'm supposed to win.
He sells Chevys at the lowest price in town.
I'm supposed to win.
That's Jeff Legum's Park Circle Chevrolet, 3400 block, Reisterstown Road at Park Circle. You got it?
I'm supposed to...
Morton? Morton, you're supposed to win.
Get it right. Get it right. From the Detroit Connection.
Only at Park Circle Chevrolet. Jeff Legum's Park Circle Chevrolet, 3400 block Reisterstown Road at Park Circle, Baltimore's largest Chevrolet dealer, home of the famous Little Prophet.